Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daniella.claire. Sorry, I'm just doing this handheld. I realized I actually forgot to film an intro for this video, and now it's like 12 in the morning, and I like 12 at night in the morning, you know, like AM, and I want to go to bed at work, and so I just thought I would film a quick intro. So today I went to Anime California, and I wore my Princess Anna dress, and I just thought I'd kind of show you the process of like getting ready, getting into cosplay, like with, you know, makeup and outfit and everything. So I'll just kind of walk through it with you guys and show you a bit of the process. So I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And then I was wondering, so I did the makeup as like a time lapse. So I was wondering if you guys would like want to see one that wasn't a time lapse. That was more of like a walkthrough, like a tutorial, like whatever the YouTubers do, the beauty YouTubers. I don't know. So I've never done a video like that before. So I could try it, or I could just, you know, do it as a time lapse and fast forward through that and get to the other stuff. I don't know. So let me know what you think about that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Here we go. So as usual, I forgot to record audio for this part, but that's okay. This part's really boring. I just put on 3 layers of concealer to cover my under eye bags. That no sleep life, and yeah, that's really the most exciting thing that's happening at the moment. I would love to eventually start doing like more makeup-y type videos, or even maybe like start live streaming it just in the mornings when I'm getting ready for my day or something like that, or getting ready for a con. I think that would be really fun. This part's more interesting, I don't know. I think that doing my eye makeup is the most interesting part, personally. Maybe you guys disagree, but that's the part I like the most. I think it's the most fun. And false lashes and more concealer, I think. I don't know. Welcome to my living room. I'm gonna kind of show you guys each step for putting on this cosplay and kind of like what each part of it is. It's not a super complicated cosplay, so it shouldn't take too long. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it on and kind of show you guys. So step 1 is this petticoat. It's actually not usually this petticoat. I actually have a different one specifically for this dress that kind of matches it better, but I cannot find it anywhere. I have literally torn apart my apartment looking for it. I've like opened every drawer. I've torn apart my room. I can't even film in there right now because it's such a mess because I've just like literally just like pushed everything aside trying to find it. But I do have this backup one, which I don't like as much, but it'll do for today. So that's the first step. So petticoat is on. Let me see if I can show you the whole thing. So it has so much more poof at the bottom of it than at the top. That's why I don't like it. It just like doesn't, also like it kind of all sticks together when I like spin. It doesn't like flow like my other one does, which is one of the things I like so much about it. So that's why I'm not a huge fan of this one, but whatever, it'll work. So I'll show you the skirt now. So this is the skirt. I actually like it more when it's not over the petticoat, but then it doesn't look as good on. But because of the way the pleating is done, I prefer it. So I'm gonna remake this soon with actually more panels, and they're gonna be smaller rather than these kind of larger ones. I just measured wrong when I was doing it, like when I was thinking about it wrong in my head. So now I know for next time, and also when I make it next time, it's just gonna be so much more sparkly. I'm gonna add like rhinestones and glitter and just make it like sparkle, because this one doesn't right now, and that makes me sad. Here's the skirt on. I'll stand on my couch again so you can see. So yeah, it doesn't lay quite correctly on the petticoat, but nothing I can do about it right now today. I am a little bit in a hurry to get ready today because my landlady or building manager is coming over to show us the apartment upstairs above us, and also to check our apartment, and I'm gonna be dressed like this, so that's fun. Whatever. So yeah, I also usually put the skirt on before the petticoat, and I put the petticoat on under it because the skirt doesn't really fit well over top it. But as I said, I'm in a hurry today, so I kind of just was like putting things on. So that's that step. And then the next one for actually just putting on the costume is the top part, so I'll show you that. So this is the shirt part. It desperately needs to be remade. It's tearing here, it's tearing here. It's got like loose threads. It's just a bit of a mess. It also doesn't fit me quite right. It's a little bit too big. Either that or I like lost weight or something, so I don't remember it being that big last time. But yeah, it does still stay up, strapless, which is good because it does have sleeves, but they don't like hold onto my shoulders. They just like kind of hang there. So it's technically strapless, and it is sparkly, so I'm definitely gonna keep that part of it. I like how I did this with the little pattern. It has rhinestones and sparkles, and the back also has the rhinestones and sparkles, so I really like that part of it. It's just the actual like body of it that I need to redo. So that's kind of a future project, and I can just go put it on now. So this is it with the top part on. As you can see, it does stay up even though it needs to be taken in a little bit just to fit me a bit better, kind of more like that rather than like that. But yeah, that's it. And then the next steps are just the wig and my shoes. Welcome to the floor of my living room. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I put on the wig real fast. I don't have any bobby pins out here with me, so I'm just gonna do it without, and then I'll just put them on later. But basically I pin it to my head. Start with the wig cap. I know people usually braid their hair before they put it in a wig, but I don't know how to really braid my hair. Like I can braid it, I just can't like braid it so that it's like on my head, like French braid it, which is what people do. So don't have that option. I should learn. I've tried to learn before, but this is the wig cap. And I didn't realize how much this wig was like falling apart in storage, like the styling. So it has a bun back here with like a little clip and then 2 braids, but it's just kind of messy. So I'm gonna try and clean it up a bit while it's on my head. And I don't actually have a coronation wig just because I'm not good enough at wig styling to make one, and I can't really afford to purchase one at the moment. So I just use this. I should mention that it's already adjusted for my head size and large hair pile. I'm just gonna have to go find some pins to pin it to my head. And honest bangs separate kind of. I feel like with the braids going down like this, it's kind of like, I don't know, Game of Thrones-y or something. I have a mirror here so I can actually see what I'm doing. Usually when a cosplay is having this many problems, I would not wear it, but I went to Disneyland yesterday and was feeling very inspired to wear it, so. Also, I just haven't worn it in a really long time, basically since WonderCon. I did like one shoot in it after WonderCon, and it hasn't been worn since. So then the final step would be my shoes. So I've got some high socks. I just found my dinosaur ones, so those are the ones I'm gonna be wearing. And then I have my boots. The last part was just the necklace, and now I'm ready to go. So I'm just waiting for my Uber because I can't drive in this skirt. And then I am going to Anime, California. So I'm here at Anime, California, just hanging by the pool. So I think I will end my video here because I've already taken off my shoes and my underskirt because it's hot and we're just hanging out by the pool, not even shooting. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this one a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you like videos more like this, maybe if you want to see like a getting ready with like the makeup that isn't a time lapse, like maybe like more of a walkthrough or like talk through or something, I could do that. Just let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!